We all know daily exercise is essential for our good health. But sometimes our outdoor playtime gets restricted due to pollution. As the world gets hotter and more crowded, our engines continue to pump out dirty emissions. The very air we breathe is growing dangerously polluted. You all know that Delhi's air condition is still very poor. In Diwali, our homes and everywhere, there are so many lights and they decorate their house so well. We also celebrate it by bursting crackers. After Diwali, you can only see how our air condition is. Through the whole day, there is smoke everywhere. We cannot even go out for a few minutes. It burns our eyes and we cannot breathe properly. 15 days after Diwali, this is our air condition. It is a little better now. Okay, let us know how we can fight during this air pollution. We all know plants will help us to get rid of this pollution. We have a rooftop garden as well as this balcony garden. We always try to keep these outdoor plants in our room. We only keep it in daytime. Exposure to high levels of air pollution can cause a variety of adverse health conditions. It increases the risk of respiratory infection, heart disease, and lung disease. How can we protect ourselves from the risk of adverse effect of air pollution? Reduce or avoid outdoor exercise or activity. We should wear a mask when going outside. Improve our lung health by deep breathing exercise and eat healthy. Some of us use air purifying machine to improve air quality of indoors. But the air purifying machine is so expensive, so plant is the alternative way. We can reduce air pollution by avoiding private transport. Maintain 3 R's method: recycle, reuse, reduce. Not using plastic bags. And practice to plant trees. Try to eat more contains having vitamin C like lemon, oranges, omega fatty acid like walnut. Intake of hot drinks containing ginger and tulsi is good for immune system. You can also take turmeric milk before bedtime. With the healthy diet, vitamin D is also helping us to build our immunity. But nowadays, the outdoor activity is totally restricted. Me and my sister arranged a sitting place near the sunlight and play some indoor games like Ludo, chess, snake and ladder, etc. Chess is good for our memory. It also helps in critical thinking. both of us also enjoy this game very much. We also do some aerobic exercise at early morning. And in evening, we do deep breathing exercise and practice meditation. Benefits of deep breathing exercise. Deep breathing exercise improves blood flow and immunity, calm down anxiety, increase memory power and energy level. We start by Om breathing. Om is the sound of universe. Om encompasses the every sound from the creator, the preserver and the destroyer. So deep breathe into your entire lungs capacity. As you exhale out, you'll say oh, and about 60% of your pronunciation would be ma. Next exercise is the Anulom Vilom. We should practice Anulom Vilom for at least 3 minutes. It helps in increasing focus and lung capacity. Take a breath from one nostril, hold for a few seconds, then release from another nostril slowly. The next is deep breathing. Sit in a comfortable position. Take a deep breath in through nose and let out through pursed lips. Do this breathing 3 to 10 times. After deep breathing exercise, we always do 5 minutes meditation. Take the breath slowly and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Then exhale your breath through your nose. Meditation helps in concentrating our studies. I hope we can go to outdoors again. We will again go to school very soon. If you like our video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.